I'm so glad to see you again. How are you? You're good? Me too. Hey, have you noticed anything different outside? Maybe there's green grass growing and green leaves are growing on the trees again? Have you ever thought to wonder why? That's because we're entering a new season. There are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Winter is when it's really cold. There might even be snow. Spring is when things start to grow again. The grass is getting green. There's green on the trees. It's beautiful. Summer is when it starts getting hot. I like to swim in the summer. And fall is when the leaves start changing, maybe from green to brown and red and orange. It is stunning. I love the fall. But what season do you think we're in right now? Is it cold and snowy? No. Are the leaves brown or orange? Is the grass growing green? And green on the trees? Yes! That means we have entered springtime. I love the springtime. All the beautiful things are growing. Today, I thought we could paint a stunning, beautiful, gorgeous, amazing spring painting. Does that sound like a good idea? I think so too. Now, I'm going to show you what colors I'm using. But remember, this is your painting, so you can use whatever color you want. First we have brown, then we have pink. Next is purple, yellow, and blue. I really wanted to work on a nice, beautiful spring tree. It's going to have pink flowers all over it. We might get a little messy today because we're going to be using a paintbrush and our fingers. Are you ready? If you need to, pause the video and go get all your paints. If not, you can just watch and we'll have fun together. The first thing we're going to do is paint the trunk of the tree. That is going to be using the color brown. We're going to paint the letter Y. It looks like this, Y. We're going to start there. I'll show you. We're going to dip in our color brown. We're going to make one big line up, just like this. And now we're going to make a line going this way and a line going this way. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. That looks just like an uppercase Y. Do you know what sound Y makes? Yeah, you're right. Good job. Now we're going to make some of the other branches. We have 2 big branches right here. So we're going to take our brown paint and start making lines all over in different directions. You can do it just like me or put the lines wherever you want. It's your painting. So I'm going to get some more brown and I'm going to go this way. And then maybe I'll put one right here. And then I'll add one over here. Maybe another one right there and right here. Now, from those lines, I'm going to put even more lines. We're going to have a lot of branches on this tree. Put a little line here. Another one right here. Maybe one here, one there, over here, right here. We can put these branches anywhere we want to make a nice big tree. I'm just taking some of this extra paint on my brush and spreading it around the branches I already have. That way it'll dry faster. I think this looks great. I'm gonna stop right here. Now, the next step is using our fingers and adding little flowers all over. But we've gotta let this dry first. What can we do while this dries? Let's see if you can guess what I'm thinking. I'm thinking of something small. This thing comes in a lot of different colors. It has wings and they flutter around. It's not a bird. Think smaller. Flutters and it has antennas. Did you say a butterfly? It is a butterfly. Let me try another one. This thing also comes in a lot of colors, and it grows in the ground. Sometimes they're little, sometimes they can be big. They come in every color you can think of. They smell really nice. What do we think it could be? A flower? Yes, it's a flower. That's exactly what I was thinking of. I think our paint is dry. Are you ready to move on? This is my favorite part. We're gonna get a little messy. Let's do it. For this part of the painting, you don't need a paintbrush at all. We're going to use our fingers. I'm gonna take my pointer finger and put it in some of the pink paint like this. Like this. Now, we're gonna start putting fingerprints all over the trees, and it'll start looking like beautiful flowers. Just like this. All over, wherever you think looks pretty. I'm gonna dip into some more. You can even put it on top of the branches like this. We are gonna put them everywhere. So many. I'm also gonna put some in between so it fills all the way in. I'm putting them on the branches and around the white places too. Up here, anywhere I want there to be flowers. Here, just like this. That is a lot of fingerprints. I think that looks really good. Now, I'm gonna wash off this finger. Next, I'm going to dip into my purple shade. We're gonna do the exact same thing all over the tree. Whoa, I got a little too much there. And now we're gonna start putting them all over. Whoops. Putting them all over the tree. Remember, you can put a lot or a little. It's your painting. I wonder how many dots we've put on here so far. Whoa! I'm gonna put some on the tree. Now I'm going to do something a little crazy. I'm going to take these two colors, mix them together like this, and put even more dots on the tree. Now I'm going to do even more. Uh-oh, I noticed I got a little bit of paint over here. That's okay. Maybe we can cover it with something in a minute. Whoa, look at our tree. It looks so springy and beautiful. Do you remember earlier when I had you guess what I was thinking? And it was small and fluttery and yes, the butterfly. I was thinking we could paint a butterfly on our spring painting. Does that sound like fun? I think so too. For this, we are going to use a paintbrush and we're gonna dip it into our brown paint again. Remember when I made this little mistake right here? That's okay, because we're gonna cover it and turn it into a butterfly. Watch this. Now I'm going to paint right over. Just like this. I'm gonna add a couple of antennas like this. For this, you're gonna make a swirl. You're gonna go up and swirl around, and then up, and whoa, and then up, and swirl around, just like this. We're gonna be making this butterfly blue. I'm rinsing off my paintbrush in a cup of water and drying it on a paper towel. Then I'm gonna take this blue color. We're gonna do a shape that looks a little like the letter B. So we're gonna take our blue paint and we're gonna do 2 humps. 1, 2, just like that. And we're gonna fill them in. Sort of like an uppercase B. Fill it in. Now we're gonna do the same shape on the other side. We're gonna get some blue. And we're gonna go 1 hump, 2 humps, just like that. That looks like a backwards uppercase B. Look, it's a little butterfly. I love it. I want it to seem like the butterfly's flying around. So I'm gonna rinse off my paintbrush again. Take the color yellow, just like this, right on the end of our paintbrush. And I'm gonna make little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots. I'm gonna add more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you've got a butterfly flying around. Maybe we make a yellow butterfly this time. We're gonna dip in the brown. We're gonna make our line. Make our antennas. 2 swirls. 1 swirl. 2 swirls. I'm gonna clean off my brush again, dip it in water, and wipe it off on a paper towel. Next, we're gonna go in with a yellow and make the uppercase B shape. 2 humps. 1, 2. Now we're gonna fill them in, just like that. Now we'll do it again on the other side. 1, 2. Fill them in again. This time I'm going to do blue dots. Take some of the blue, make some dots all around, as many as you want. You can make it go curvy. You can add a little loop. Woo! Look what we did together. I love it. It's got a beautiful tree with flowers on it and butterflies. It really reminds me of the springtime. Thanks for painting with me. Hopefully we'll do it again soon. I left a little bit of a mess, so I'm gonna go clean that up. You should probably clean yours up too. But I'll see you soon. Bye.